So hello everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to see the Leetcode problem of the day. That is, the question name is relative banks. So let us read the question and then we can think of the possible approaches we can solve the question. So the question says that we have been given an array score of size n, and we need to return the rank of the athlete, right? So let's say if it's written 5 4 3 2 1, then the largest score will win the gold medal, and then the second largest as the silver, and the third largest as bronze, and so on and so forth, right? So in this case, let us understand one test case. So I can clearly see here the values are 5 4 3 2 1, right? So the largest value is this one, then the second largest value, third largest value, fourth largest, and fifth largest. So simultaneously, respectively, we need to appoint the medal. So the first win the gold medal, second win the silver medal, the third win the bronze medal, and this is the fourth and fifth. We need to just print the positions. Similarly, in this case, 10, we have 10, 3, 8, 9, and 4. So the first largest is 10, then the second largest 9, third largest is 8, and the fourth, and this is the fifth one. So similarly, gold medal would be printed, and here fifth position would be printed. Now third we have bronze medal, second we have silver medal, the fourth we have just fourth position, right? So we just need to make ensure कि जहाँ पे largest है हम उसे gold medal दे, second largest को bronze, second largest को silver, and the third largest को bronze, and for rest of the position we will just print the rank for the places, right? So how we can do this question is ki method 1 would be that we will sort the array, right? So in this case, if I sort the array, what will happen? I will get an ascending order array, let's say. So 3, 4, 8, 9, and 10, right? And let's say we make a new array temp. Why we are making new array? Because हमें order maintain करना है अपने given array का. So the indexes would be, let's say, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I want this is my first winner, right? This is my first winner, this is my second winner, third winner, fourth winner, and fifth winner, right? So if this is I, if this is the index and this is the elements, right? So according to this, we need to push these information in the map, right? So this can be determined as n minus I. N is what, 5, and I is what, 4. So 5 minus 4 will give you 1. Similarly, for rest of the cases, we will push n minus I in the map, right? So what will we will have this entry in the map, right? This would be the key, and this would be the value, right? Now we can just iterate in the given array. We can just iterate in the given array, right? And if we got the value of the given element in the array as 1, right, then we will give gold medal. Similarly, for second, if the value we got as 2, like for 9 we will get the 2, right? So we'll appoint the silver medal, and for the value 3 we'll appoint the bronze medal, and for rest of the places we'll just appoint the values for the particular elements in the given array, right? So let's just that's a very simple approach to be considered as a brute force approach for this solution. Let's just jump to the solution now and let's start coding. Okay, so this would be the sequence of steps involved in our brute force approach. So please pause this video, try to code this approach by yourself. So first we have made a temp array, and then we have initialized all the values of the score in the temp, and we have sorted it in the ascending order. Secondly, we'll push the values in the map. So I'll just write a map here, and I will paste the values in which the key would be the value that is present in the temp array, and the value would be nothing but n minus I, and we explained, we have covered that how it is n minus I, right? Similarly, for the third case, we just have to make a string answer because the return type is string, right? And we will just push the elements accordingly. So let me write the code and I'll give you a code walkthrough. Okay, so that's the third step. We have made an answer string array, and then for iterating for each and every element in the scores array, and we are checking if the value present in the map, because we have mapped the actual rank of the elements in the maps, right? तो अगर मैप में वैल्यू 1 है तो डेफिनेटली दैट्स द फर्स्ट पोजीशन, विल अपॉइंट इट एज गोल्ड मेडल. फॉर वैल्यू 2 विल गिव एज सिल्वर मेडल. फॉर द वैल्यू 3 विल गिव इट एज अ ब्रॉन्ज मेडल. फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द केसेस विल जस्ट गिव द रैंक वैल्यू. But since we want in the string, so we'll use the inbuilt function integer.toString, and we'll get the value from the map for this particular athlete of the present in the score array. So that would be it. This code will get submitted. So meanwhile, let us analyze the time and space complexity. So what is the time complexity? So we are in the worst case we are sorting the array, right? So that would be the maximum time that is required. and we are also traversing, like we are making temp array, putting the elements, and again traversing in the scores array, but ignoring the smaller ones, so it would be n log n, right? And similarly the space constraint would be O of n, because we have used in temp array to store the exact elements of the score array, and then we have mapped it. And similarly O of n would also be involved for the hash maps, so overall it would be O of n. Okay, so there goes the summation for the method 1. So let us see if we can optimize the brute force, or let's say if there is a possible method 2 or not, right? So as of now the time constraint is O of log n. Can we do it in the lesser time constraint, let's say O of n, right? So we can definitely do it on O of n. The problem or the intuition behind this thing is, so let us first of all take the second test case, that is 10, 3, 8, 9 and 4, right? So what we're going to do as a first step is that we will, so here we will get the maximum of all the elements, right? So the maximum would be, the first step would be the get max. So maximum would be 10, right? And instead of, not instead, we will open the array in the form of the maximum elements. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? And we will match the indexes. We will place the indexes. Jaise ki for 10 we have the indexes as 0, it has 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we will fill the array with the -1 at all points, right? So 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now what is the index of 10? It is 0, so we will cancel this one and we'll place 0. Similarly for 3, what is the index? It is 1, so I will cancel out the -1, I will fill it 1. Similarly for 8 it is 2, so here it would be 2. 9 it is 3, so I'll place 3. For 4 it is 4, so I'll place 4 here, right? So that's the first step to get the max, and then you place the index, place index of score array into a, let's say temp, into a temp array of size m+1, and m is nothing but the max, right? Now अब हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे यार कि हम उल्टा चलेंगे यहाँ से, लाइक बिकॉज वी नो दैट दिस इज़ द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू प्रेजेंट इन द गिवन एरे, तो डेफिनेटली जो सबसे लास्ट की वैल्यू है वही हमारा रैंक 1 होगा, राइट? सो दिस वुड बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ आवर रैंक, करेक्ट? सो वी विल ट्रैवर्स फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड डायरेक्शन एंड द थर्ड स्टेप, राइट? And we will check if the value is not equals to -1, because अगर value not equals to -1 है, then definitely we have this particular athlete with the score 10 in this case in this particular array. We can clearly verify that 9 की value -1 नहीं है, तो definitely 9 is the value present in our scores array. So that's gonna be that's the way we will find it. ठीक है, तो finally in the third step we will have an answer array, right? A string answer array जहाँ पे we will form it with the length given as the score array. So what is the length here? 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? हम उल्टा traverse करेंगे यार, that is from right hand side to left hand side in the given temp array which we have just made, and we will check if it is not equals to -1, right? Then we will have our rank appoint as 1 as the initial case, right? And we will see कि इसका original index क्या है, 0, right? और अगर rank 1 है तो 0 पे हम gold medal डाल देंगे, and then we will do a rank plus that is 2, right? Now again we will traverse, so we'll go from this index. Initially I was this index, so now I will be at this index. Again it is -1, right? So what is the original index? 3. So I will come at 3 in my answer array, and since the rank is 2, I will appoint this as silver medal, right? And again I'll iterate to the next element to its left, that is 8. Again the value is -1, so I'll index 2. I'll come to index 2, and the rank is what? Previously it was 2, it became 3. So if it is 3, then I have to appoint bronze medal, right? Now I'll go on traversing, so I'll skip all the -1s. Now I will be at index 4. यहाँ पे देखूँगा, यहाँ पे मेरा index 4 है, right? So I'll come at index 4, right? And since 3 के बाद हमें medals देना बंद कर देना है, 3 के बाद जो भी places आएंगे 4 और 5, तो हमें उसको बस लिखते आना है. So the rank becomes 4, and I will just place it here as 4. Similarly for this last iteration, the value 3 would be -1, so 1. So I'll come at index 1, and what is the rank? Previously the rank was 4. I'll increment it by 1, and 5 would be here. And if you can clearly see that this is our desired output: gold medal 5, bronze medal, silver medal and 4, right? But what is the time and space which we have taken here? So this is O of n. O of n for finding the max, O of n for filling the temp array, and O of n for traversing, no, O of m for traversing in this temp array, right? So the time constant for this case would be O of n plus maximum of the score array, right? So now we have n log n से हम n plus m पे आ चुके हैं यार. ये इसकी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी हो जाएगी, स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या हो जाएगी, O ऑफ M, that is the max of scores array, right? Okay, so let us jump ahead and code this approach as well. So let me give you a code walkthrough here. So first we have find the maximum of the scores array. फिर उसके बाद हमने क्या किया है, we have stored the index of the score array, right, into a temp array. ऐसा क्यों किया यार, because we need to give the output according to the sequence that is present in the score array, right? फिर हमने एक rank बना है, we have made an answer of string type, and finally we are traversing in the temp array that is from I equals to max to I greater than equals to 0, I minus minus, and initially हमने -1 से fill किया था, right? So the values जहाँ पे भी temp of I -1 नहीं है, right? So that means those are the index actual present in the score array. मतलब ये ऐसे index हैं जो score array में present है. So if that's the case, we will handle the 3 cases explicitly for the 1, 2 and 3 to appoint gold medal, silver and bronze medal. For all the rest of the cases, we will just appoint the particular rank, and we will do a rank plus plus, right? So that's the same we have did in the dry run. So that's it, we will return the answer. So that is it here. Let us submit this code as well, and while it is submitting, let us analyze the constraint as well. Okay, the code got submitted successfully. So let us see the constraint as well. So what is the n is nothing but score dot length. N belongs to 10 power 4, and the score of I, that is the maximum range, is 10 power 6, right? So what is the time complexity that we are coding in? It is 10 power 4 plus 10 power 6. So ignoring the smaller ones, you can clearly see the O of 10 power 6 is the time which we are taking, right, which is less than equals to 10 power 8, and that is why our code got submitted in both of the cases, right? अगर हम 10 power 8 से ज़्यादा समय ले लेते हैं और ज़्यादा iterations ले लेते हैं, तो definitely we would have gotten the TLE, right? ठीक है, so that is it for this video. There's been an update in our channel, so I'll announce it maybe day or after tomorrow by the end of the week. We will be doing several changes in this channel going forward. So till then, keep learning, keep growing, bye bye, and take care guys.